Hello everyone, welcome to my math teacher. In this video, I am going to teach question number 1 and 2 from the exercise 7.3. This is for class 6 students from NCERT syllabus. The chapter is fractions. Under this topic, we are going to learn about equivalent fractions. Now let us see what are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are the fractions with different numerator and denominator that represent the same value. I'll explain with this example. This whole part, which is divided into 4 equal parts, out of which 2 are shaded. Now let us write the fraction for this. Total number of parts, they are 4 here, out of which shaded is 2. It is represented in the numerator. Okay. Now the right side, again the same whole. Okay. The same whole, it is divided into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts, out of which 4 are shaded here. So now let us write 4 here. As you can see, different numerator and different denominator. Now I am going to simplify this too. Okay, let us simplify this. Divided by 2, the same number you have to divide by 2 here as well. Okay, now what will be the answer? 2 divided by 2 is 1 by 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, 1 by 2. The same, let us do it for the next one. 4 divided by 8. Here I am going to simplify by dividing by 4 because we can divide both the numbers by 4. Divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. By 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now you can see we have got the same value. You can see even though the numerators are different and the denominators are different, the value is same for both 1 by 2 and the same value is represented in the diagram as well. You can see from the whole entire half is shaded. The entire half is shaded in the right side as well. Let us apply this in solving the problems. The first question, write the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent? Let us start one by one. First step, let us write the fractions of each of the given diagram. So now from this whole, there are 2 equal parts, out of which one is shaded. So we have to write the fraction like this. A, that is 1 by 2. 2 equal parts, out of which one is shaded. Okay. Now we can write shaded portion is 1 by 2. Okay. Now for B. Now in B again we have the whole, the same whole where the equal parts are 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of which 2 are shaded. Now it is 4 are the equal parts, out of which 2 are shaded. Now here shaded portion is 2 by 4. Okay. Now the third one. Here again the same whole, it is divided into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of which 1, 2, 3. 3 is shaded. So total 6 and shaded is 3. Now here shaded portion is 3 by 6. Okay. The last one, that is D. Here we can see from this the same whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shaded portion. Again 8 equal parts, 4 shaded. Now shaded portion is 4 by 8. Now these are the fractions which we have got from the diagram. Now let us find whether they are equivalent fraction or not. Here 1 by 2, it is very much in the simplified form. Okay. Now I'll extend this and divide it by 2 and divide by the same number. Now what will be the answer? 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay. Now here the same. 3 divided by 6, I am going to divide by 3 because we know 3 and 6 are divisible by 3. 3 and 3. So what will be the answer? 3 divided by 3 will be 1. 6 divided by 3 will be 2. Okay. Now the same for the last one. Divided by 4. Because 4 and 8 are divisible by 4. Okay. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now, after simplifying, compare all the 4 options, all the 4 subdivisions A, B, C and D. So, all are having the same value, which is 1 by 2. So, we can say that the 4 all are equivalent fractions. Now, in the same question, we have got the second set of diagrams, which are the first one is, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12. There are 12 circles given, out of which 4 are shaded. First of all, write the fractions. Out of 12, 4 are shaded. In the second diagram, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total is 9, out of which 3 are shaded. Okay. Now, here in the third one, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles, 2 are shaded. In the fourth one, we have got 3 circles, out of which 1 is shaded. Okay, so it is 3 here and 1 here. The last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 10, 15. Total 15, out of which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 15. Now let us check whether they are equivalent fractions or not. Okay, divided by 4, because 4 and 12 can be divided by 4. We have got 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 by 4 is 3. The next one, 3 divided by 9. Divided by 3, divided by 3, which is 3 divided by 3 is 1 by 3. Now 2 by 6. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Again we have got 1 by 3, which is in the simplified form. Write it as it is. 6 divided by 15. We can divide 6 by 3. Yes. Again here 3. Use 3 here. 6 divided by 3 is 2 here. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay. Now we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 4 are the same value, 1 by 3, whereas the last one, which is 2 by 5, because we can't simplify both the numbers further. So this is the final answer, which is 2 by 5. So all the diagrams are not equivalent fractions. You can write your answer like this: since all the above fractions are not equal, they are not equivalent fractions. You can give your reason like this: since all the above fractions are not equal, they are not equivalent fractions. Now the second question. Second question is, write the fractions and pair up the equivalent fractions from each row. So we have to write the fractions of all the given diagrams in the first row, and also we have to find the fractions for the second row as well. Now after finding the fractions, you have to find the equivalent fractions from 1 and 2. Okay, let us start. Now let us start. Now this is A. A is 2 equal parts, 1 is shaded. Out of 2, 1 is shaded. Now B. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are shaded. Now C. C is 1, 2, 3. Here we can see 3, 6, 9. Out of 9, we have got 1, 2, 3 as shaded parts. Okay. Now next one, B. B is total number of parts. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of which 2 are shaded. So it is total 8 and 2 are shaded. Now E. E is out of 4, 3 are shaded. So these are the fractions which we have written for the first row. Now let us move on to the second row. The second row they have in the second row they have mentioned as 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us write here so that it can be easy for us to do the matching. Okay. Now, so total number of each parts in the first diagram we can count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 in the first row. So it will be 6 plus 6, that is 12, and 6 it is 18. Total number of equivalent parts they are 18, out of which shaded are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it is 6 here. Now the second subdivision they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8, out of which 4 are shaded. Now third subdivision 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 8, 12, 16. Total number of parts are 16 here, out of which 4 is unshaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is unshaded. So shaded will be 16 minus 4 will be, which is 12. Okay. Now fourth subdivision. Now to find the total number of parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Out of which 1, 2, 3, 4 is unshaded. So 12 minus 4 is 8. So we can write 8 as the shaded portion. Okay. The last one, which is the fifth one. Now count the total number of parts: 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4, 8, 12, 16. Out of 16, how much are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are shaded. Okay. Now we have written all the fractions of the given diagram. Now the next step is to simplify. Let us simplify one by one. Here 1 by 2 is in the simplified form. Now do the simplification. Divided by 2, which gives us 2 by 3. Okay. Again simplify this. Divided by 3. We can divide both the numbers by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Divided by 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay. Here 2 divided by 8. Divide both the numbers by 2. Okay. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Whereas 8 divided by 2 is 4. Next, the last one. 3 divided by 4. You can't divide further. So keep it as it is, 3 by 4. Okay. Here 6 divided by 18. So divided by 6. Both are multiples of 6. So here 6 by 6 is 1, divided by 18 divided by 6 is 3. Okay. Now 4 by 8, you can divide it by 4. Both the numbers. 1 by 2. 12 by 16, it can be divided by 4. Both the numbers. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Again, both the numbers divided by 4. It will be 2 by 12 divided by 4 is 3. The last one, again 4. It is divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. By 16 by 4 is 4. Okay. Now let us compare and match them. Match the equivalent value. That is A, and from the left side 1 by 2, we have got A as 1 by 2. The same 1 by 2 where it is there in the second subdivision. This is 1 by 2. So A and second subdivision. Okay. Now B's value is 2 by 3. Okay. B's value is 2 by 3. Now let us check where is 2 by 3. It is there in the fourth subdivision, 2 by 3. So B and 4. Okay. Now C. And C is 1 by 3. Where is 1 by 3? In the right side, it is there in the first subdivision. So C and 1. Next, D, and D value is 1 by 4. Where is 1 by 4 here? It is there in the last subdivision, which is 5. So D and 5. Okay. The last one, E and E's value is 3 by 4. It is there in the third subdivision. So it is matching with the third subdivision. As you can see, all the 5 alphabets, they are matching with all the 5 given subdivisions. Now we can write our answer like this. The following pairs represents the equivalent fractions. So I hope you must have understood both the problems which I have solved in this video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep practicing.